What's up, YouTube? My name's Riley.
My name's James. Welcome to Clamp and Pull.
On this week's episode, we unleash our engineering creativity. This is the Instron Universal Testing Machine.
The max force of this machine is 30,000 newtons. In terms of weight,
That's about 7,500 quarter pounders from Mickey D's, without the cheese.
Oh, hey man. Creative obstacles include structured thinking patterns, resource myopia, fear of the unknown, personal and psychological factors, and not knowing how to be creative. The more you know.
Blah, blah, blah. Believe it or not, this is a textbook from a graduate level engineering class. We'll put it to some good use. Now get her clamped in there good now, James.
ready.
Is she clamped good?
She's clamped. Let's pull.
Alright, James. Predictions for what's going to happen.
Thing's gonna break. Did you think about that, the spine? Because this side doesn't obviously have a spine.
Oh my god. That page about this? Ah. I think it ripped page by page.
Holy cannolis!
The only word I can see is brainstorming. Peeks through.
Well, it broke. I'm removing the sample.
Wow. I'll tell you what, James, that's about the most use that book has seen in a long time.
So we were just packing up, and we happened to glance at the numbers, and the load reached 26,000 newtons.
26,000 newtons. Well,
It's broke.
there you have it, folks. That's how you unleash your engineering creativity.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And leave a comment letting us know what you think we should pull next.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week.